Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vim with Corey, Vim Plus Design channel. So guys, if you are still confused between model line and detail line in Revit, let's get that fixed in just 1 minute. See, I have opened this Revit 2024 version. Going to the architecture tab, here model lines are present. See, I am drawing this model line and actually this is visible in the 3D view. Other levels also this is visible. And in the section and elevations also you can see the model line. So, and going to the detail line, here annotate, detail lines are present in the annotate tab. I'm drawing a detail line. See, this I have drawn, but this is not visible in the 3D as well as other views. See, detail lines are not visible here, not visible in the, sorry, I've drawn this here, so this is visible here. But going to the other view like level 1, 3D, detail lines are not visible. So, detail lines are view specific. They only appear in the view where you have drawn them. Like I have created these detail lines in the site view. Okay, so here is the easiest way to remember it. Model line equals to visible everywhere and equals to 3D elements. And detail line equals to visible in the own but visible in the only view in which it is created, like visible in one view only. And basically the use of model line and detail line are as follows, like use model line for modeling or reference geometry. They are used for modeling and reference geometry, and detail lines are used for drafting and detailing. Like we create the sheets for detailing in the DD submissions. So in that we use the detail lines or anything that we want only view specific detail lines are used there. So guys, that is the difference between the model and detail line in Revit. Thank you guys. Follow BIM with Corey for more BIM tips.